normal thing. We are going to start the vendor master configuration right now. It's very important. You have to understand it properly. So what is vendor master? Hold on a second. Let me open a notepad, another notepad. Why we are calling this a master data? Normally, master data means what are the which particular information is having a multiple, which particular data is having a multiple information. That data is called a master data. So master data means suppose you are going to purchase a laptop. Laptop is having a different information. What are the general information means what are the laptop model, laptop name, which company it belongs to, what is the weight, what is the width. Okay, this all information comes into general information. So if somebody will ask you what is the accounting information of this my laptop, then you will tell that my laptop cost is 1 lakh or something, the INR or dollars, whatever it may. What is the price of this laptop is comes under accounting information. So how many types of informations does have your laptop? Multiple information. Which particular is having the multiple informations? That data is called a master data. Here, and when you are creating the master data from in SAP system, your system will not allow to delete the permanently. You can set as a deletion, flag deletion, but you are not able to delete permanently from the SAP system. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, first of all, it's required some configuration. Then only we can achieve it. What configuration? It requires some configuration means. First of all, we will create different configurations. First of all, what are the configurations required to create a vendor master data? For those, first of all, we have to complete those configurations. Then we will come to creation of the vendor master data, change the vendor master data, all those things. So come to SPR, SAP reference IMG. Then come to this financial accounting. Is that right? Okay, so let me continue with the vendor master data, vendor master configurations, all those things. Okay, vendor master data, we have to create a normal configurations, we have to do it. Okay, so first of all, we have to come to this SPRO, ING, financial accounting. In this financial accounting, come to this account receivable and accounts payable. Under this accounts payable, accounts receivable and accounts payable, we have to come to this vendor account, then master data, then preparation for creating vendor master data. Define account group with screen layout vendor. First of all, we are going to define an account group. So when we are going to create a vendor, it's required to specify an account group. So account group controls the number ranges and field screen layout. Okay, so I'm going to define it right now. I'll show you. So go to new entries. For an example, DOMV. DOMV means domestic vendor. Domestic vendor account group. Press enter. I will show you what is the things field status. This is a very important thing. I will show you after some time. Okay. Click save. Just we have created a account group called DOMV, domestic vendor account group. Okay. Come back. Then come here. Create number ranges for vendor account. We are going to set a number ranges. After saving the master data, what number ranges will get created? Just click change intervals. So many numbers are there. Existing number ranges also you can use, or you can set as a new number ranges for your vendor account group. Just click insert line. For an example, which number range is not available? 04. I'm just setting over here. Some numbers should be small. Two numbers should be great always. As per the requirement, you have to set the number ranges. 40000, 4999. Look this is my number range. Okay, I will tell you what is this functionality, external or internal. What is this called actually? I'll tell you. Just save it first. I have created this 4 number ranges. Okay, the changes were saved. Go back. Then assign number ranges to vendor account group. First of all, what we have done, we have created an account group over here. We have created a number ranges over here. Same account group, same number ranges, we are going to assign each and other over here. Click assign number ranges to vendor account group. Click position over here and enter the account group DOMV, which we have created just in previous 1 or 2 steps. Just look this. This is account group. The number range field is blank. Just choose the number range from this search help option. What number ranges we have created on that number ranges configurations will get populated over here. Look this. This is populated over here. Okay, just save it. Okay. So the configuration is done.